Get ready to meet the newly revamped Renault Austral. This sleek crossover, which replaced the Kadjar in 2022, is getting a stunning makeover, taking design cues from Renault's latest flagship models. Stick around to see what's new and exciting about this refreshed ride. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your friends who love cars as much as you do. Let's grow our car enthusiast community together. Now let's talk about the Renault Austral, which was first introduced in the spring of 2022. This model replaced the Kadjar crossover, bringing a new flavor to Renault's lineup. The name Austral comes from the Latin word australis, meaning southern, evoking the warmth and vibrancy of the southern hemisphere. Though the Austral is just over 2 years old, Renault isn't wasting any time. Prototypes of its restyled version have already been spotted undergoing testing, giving us a glimpse into the upcoming changes. The most noticeable update is to the front end of the crossover. It's getting a completely new look inspired by Renault's Scenic and Rafale models. For those who don't know, the Rafale is Renault's flagship, and its influence is clear here. The new Austral will sport narrow, horizontal headlights paired with separate vertical running lights for a sharp, modern appearance. And here's a surprise for a mid-cycle refresh. Even the hood is getting a redesign. As for the rear of the vehicle, the camouflage test samples suggest that it may not change much. However, there's speculation that it could feature new taillights similar to those on the Rafale coupe. Under the hood, the Austral is built on the modified CMF-C/D platform, the same one used by the third-generation Nissan Qashqai. This crossover offers a range of powertrain options, including mild hybrid systems. There's a 1.2-liter turbo engine paired with a 48-volt starter generator, producing 130 horsepower with a manual transmission. Alternatively, there's a 1.4-liter Turbo 4 with a 12-volt starter generator, offering 140 horsepower with a manual transmission or 160 horsepower with a CVT. The top-end E-Tech model combines a 1.2-liter engine with an electric motor and a 1.7 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering a total of 200 horsepower. Impressive, right? The official premiere of the updated Renault Austral is expected early next year, and we can't wait to see it in all its glory. Meanwhile, Renault is already turning heads with a new generation of the Duster crossover, which hit the market just last month. So, what do you think of the new Renault Austral? Are these updates enough to make it stand out in the crowded crossover market? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a discussion going. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car reviews and updates. Hit the like button if you're excited about the new Renault Austral, and share this video with your friends who are car enthusiasts. See you in the next video.